Hope they don't look crazy.
Mommy, stop it. Stop. 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 Stop.
I'm not.
These are the ones you cut, right?
You gotta stay still.
Mommy, stop cutting. Stop cutting. Stop cutting. No more cutting. How are the ones you cut?
All that back there is cut.
Since
And we're back with another video. I'm gonna go ahead and trim. Could you stop? I'm gonna go ahead and trim his dreads. Turn around.
around. Wow.
So, what length do you want them?
I want them right here.
Okay. So I'm gonna start in the back. So turn around to the back. You can turn all the way around. So in the back, we're gonna cut them. We're gonna cut them about right here.
Oh, if you want to.
I'm just gonna separate them just a little bit. So back here, where do you want your dreads to come?
I can't determine.
So right now they're here, and you sure you want to cut them?
Yes.
We'll show you guys. That's what he says. He wants to cut his dreads. They don't look that bad cut. They're not noticeable. He may shed a little bit, but we'll see. So right now, one of them, they're here. So
This is me having my back up.
right here.
A little bit up more.
Are you sure? Because you ain't going to be able to put them in a ponytail.
Well, fine, mommy.
I'm just trying
Just
to.
even them out, okay?
So don't cut them short.
Just even them out. Since you won't let me. So since you keep worrying about me not being around.
Because the goal is you're going to want to,
Put
you
it
guys,
in the ponytail.
you're going to want to put it in a ponytail. Whatever. I'm just going to cut.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. FBI, open up.
That's it.
My mama's just going rogue on my hair. She don't even love my hair. Chill out. Mommy, don't cut them too short, mommy. Chill.
I'm not.
Cut them to like, say for instance, this is the whole dread. Cut. Say for instance. This is the whole dread. Cut a little bit
I
more.
already started. Let me turn around. Right here.
But you're not cutting too much, so yeah, I like how you're cutting it. I mean, don't cut them too much, mommy, because I still want my length.
I hope they don't look crazy.
Mommy, stop it, stop. Stop.
I'm
These are the
not.
ones you cut, right?
You gotta stay still.
Mommy, stop cutting. No more cutting. How are the ones you cut?
All that back there is cut.
Okay, mommy, that's good. Mom!
No. But
Get away!
They have to be even, baby.
No, my mommy trying to cut my hair off.
They have to be even.
Mom. Hey! I don't want to bob, Mom. Mommy, some of them don't have to be even, Mommy, because not all of them are lined up. Mommy, no more.
Cut all that junk off. No, I'm just kidding. Now we gotta clean up, baby. Okay. So we went ahead and cut some down.
It's very dusty. Donkey's very dusty.
So I went ahead and cut him down a little bit. He still can wear it in a ponytail. It's not that short. So your longest one was here. Now it's like here.
Till I'd be like, yes, sir.
So it definitely got shorter.
You definitely did. Had to stand up. Hit it in this bump. Mommy, stop playing with my hair. No touchy.
It was a little. I don't know what you got.
I got wedge.
All right, you guys, we off.
Welcome naturally to the broccoli donkey. Okay.
Let me see. So he's gonna be needing a retwist in a little bit, but
it's gonna hurt like last time.
all right, sign off for the people.
Well, it was the Noelle squad, and we're gonna be
After these messages, we'll be right back.
Ding, ding.
No, I'm just kidding. About the process, I know you guys noticed his hair has gotten longer. We'll talk about the process. That's another video. Today, we just went ahead and cut his locks. Okay, went ahead and cut them. Just a quick video. And that was it. I don't know if you guys got to fully see, but that's it. All right. Good night.
Good night.